Let's go, fish heads. I'm back out on the Long Island Sound. It's Tuesday, Tuesday, September 7th. I asked in my last video, which probably won't be up too long, for everyone to please say a prayer for my mother to have a speedy recovery. If you didn't see it, she had very complicated spinal surgery, and she has a long road to recovery. So I'm going to be there for her every step of the way. So I'm honestly not going to be fishing much. That being said, still don't think about coming fishing my spots, because eventually I will run into you and it won't be a pleasant experience for either of us. That I can promise you. And the one reason I'm so adamant about people not fishing my spots, like I own them, because I do. You know what? I'm deboing these spots. I found them. They're my fish. Go find your own fish. So the reason I'm so adamant about that is because they did a study on largemouth bass, and I know striped bass and largemouth are two different species in two different worlds, separated by millions of years of evolution. That being said, they still have a lot of similarities. The study that they did on these largemouth bass, I believe it was down in Florida, they put locators on a good amount of largemouth bass in this one lake for the whole year. They had them being located for 12 months, and the first 6 months the lake was open to boating, but it was not open to fishing. And then after the 6 months they reopened the fishing, and within the first week every fish that had a locator on it moved from the shallow water where they were for the first 6 months. In the first week they all moved off into deeper water. And it's not because people were catching the fish, it's because they're in there bouncing their soft plastics off of their heads and, crankbaits or whatever. The fish don't get bothered. Striped bass, largemouth bass, they don't have emotions like us. They don't think the same way. So it's not that they were bothered. The scientists who were part of the study said that they saw the fishermen's lures as invaders. The fish is not benefiting from an experience, it's going to get away from it. I'm sure you guys have been over there bouncing your soft plastics off of my fish's heads. So if I go over there, waste my time going over there, I'm probably not going to catch anything, because they either moved off the structure. I'm mostly just going to be bouncing this bucktail. This is a 1 ounce Spro bucktail tipped with a sandworm. The one thing I love about Spro bucktails is they have a little bait holder. So it just holds onto a sandworm so well. So I'll be doing a lot of this, and you catch everything like this. When you have your bucktail tipped with the sandworm, you will catch striped bass, you will catch bluefish, you'll catch fluke, you'll catch weak fish, you'll catch porgies. Please take a moment of your time, even if you don't believe in God. Please say a prayer for my mother to have a speedy recovery, because prayer moves mountains. The more people that pray for something, the quicker it will come. And I know that to be true, and I don't care if you believe in it or not. Just please take a moment of your time to say that. You don't even have to say it out loud. Please say that prayer for my mother. Thank you for watching, and let's catch some fish. Shakin's fluke. Nice fluke. That's a keeper fluke. Oh baby. He spit up like a whole split, it looks like. Nice fluke, man. I just dropped this down. Damn, he's caught him out of the line. This is a big fluke. Damn. I don't even know how Nice keeper fluke. Awesome. He was whacking that thing, man. 40 minus 18. So that was a 22-inch fluke. Terrible at math. Just got that Spro Bucktail. So I got that little bait holder on there, tipped with a, half of a sandworm. Some rocks that drop off pretty deep. Right now I'm like 10 feet, or over 10 feet, and it goes all the way down to 26 feet, probably in like 7-8 feet when I got that fluke. Great start. Part of me wanted to keep them, but I don't have ice, and I just got out here, so I don't want to keep them, just on one of those frozen ice packs for another 5-6 hours. I don't know how long I'm going to be out here. Good fish. It's a robin. It's a big robin. Came off. And he got my fish bites, damn it. Between 10 and 15 feet of water, I would say. Damn, came off. Just taking a sip of that Red Bull. Off again. They're down there though. Excusez-moi. Shut that off, get any battery in there. Fish. How did I not lose him? That is a baby scup. I must have fouled it. Right under the mouth. That's not a fatal wound. That's a little scup. Nice colors though. Shit all over me. That's why they're stealing that worm. They're so tiny. I really don't want to troll today. I've been trolling since April. And right now I'm fighting a lot of currents, so I really don't want to troll. But I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. But I need to change the battery in there. Excuse me. Same trick. Different rock. Another foul hooked one. It's a good porgy, but I foul hooked him. Nice size porgy though. Scup. Too shallow here. A fish hit on the bucktail already. Chop. Oh, fluke. Blackfish keeper. It's probably like 17, 18. Nice cool color, and it's really dark. It's probably only 17. Nice, another flatty. He's just over 17. Nice flatty. Away he goes. Such a prized possession of the sound. Everybody loves those fish. I think they're delicious. I like black sea bass better, but it's not worth all the hype. I like it better than blackfish, that I'll admit. Another one. It's gotta be big porgy. It's so much more enjoyable to do this. I troll right now. I don't feel like trolling. should have brought my net if I was going to do this type of fishing. I was planning on doing this. I brought my anchor. I'm not using it. Probably 13-inch scup. Let's see. No, 12 and a half. 12.5-inch scup. Goodbye. I was like, what is that? Something was poking me in my ass. Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. My rod was underneath my seat. Something was on it. The rod was just poking me in my butthole. Yo, that scared the fucking shit out of me. I almost shit myself. I thought there was a fish in the boat that I didn't know about. Fucking poking me in the butthole. I thought something was coming through the boat. Like my mind, just a million different scenarios went through my head right there. That's too funny, man. I don't know what scared me more. The raccoon in that freshwater video I did, or that moment right there. Like I literally thought something was coming through the boat. Like in my mind, a fucking shark, a seal, like something was in the boat and it was about to eat me. That's what was going on in my head right there. That's how scared I was. I dropped this down as soon as it hit the bottom. There's porgies underneath this school. There's gotta be stripers on it too. So right in the middle of this, my chair just snapped. Not the strap, the metal pole just broke. So I have no back support right now. Damn it. So I have no back support right now. So I can't really navigate the kayak at all. I can't really pedal. I'm sitting on my shoes. Take up a little bit of room. That's a small porgy. I kind of missed that blitz, if it was in fact a blitz, because it took me like 20 minutes. So I got some bungees wrapped around it. I'm gonna put some. Damn it. So. Porgy up. Damn it. Might be alright, it's just through his cheek. So I guess it's because I'm 210 pounds of solid muscle. I almost dropped the GoPro. But this is what happened. It broke here. Broke all over the place. I had these like cushion things to stop me from reclining all the way. But I put the bungee around here and it's secure, but this metal bar going into my back is extremely painful. So I had to cut the day short, even though I was out there for a long time. I didn't do as well as I could have, but I didn't do bad. I didn't get any stripers, mostly because I didn't really troll. But anyway, I guess you could say I got skunked on the striper grounds. Even though I didn't really troll, I didn't go far. I probably only went like a quarter of a mile, like the whole day. And I've been out here for like 5 hours. It's good though. You don't have to go far for good fishing. But thank you for watching. Peace out. One love. Please say that prayer for my mom. Love you guys. Fuck this fucking chair, man. I'm starting to get frustrated. This fucking sucks. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my misery. Please laugh. I'm not laughing right now, but I'll probably be laughing later when I edit this, or tomorrow, or whenever I get a chance to edit this. Thank you for watching. Please share with a buddy. And when I come back, I promise nothing but heat. I'm gonna bring that fire.